Today we're staying at the Grand Hotel in Birmingham. This beautiful hotel first opened in 1879 and was designed to rival the grand luxury hotels of London. It's a Grade 2 listed Victorian building famous for its French Resistance architecture and dramatic marble staircase. During its golden age, it hosted huge names including Winston Churchill, Charlie Chaplin, Neville Chamberlain, and even King George VI. The Beatles staged here in 1965, causing scenes of screaming fans and chaos outside on Holmore Row. More recently, Tom Cruise staged here while filming Mission Impossible 7, bringing Hollywood glamour back to Birmingham. The hotel originally had stock rooms where travelling businessmen would actually showcase new inventions and products to buyers, almost like a Victorian trade show. One of its most famous spaces is the lavish Grosvenor Ballroom, designed in extravagant Louis XIV style with ornate plasterwork and huge chandeliers. The hotel sadly closed in 2002 and sat empty for nearly 20 years, and at one point there were even fears it would be demolished. Thankfully, after a massive restoration costing around £50 million, it reopened in 2021 and is now one of Birmingham's most iconic luxury hotels again. Locals sometimes call it Birmingham's Sleeping Beauty because it spent so many years boarded up before being beautifully restored. And the hotel sits opposite St Philip's Cathedral and was built on land cleared during a huge Victorian redevelopment of Birmingham city centre. Yeah.
Smells nice, isn't it? Nice
Does
smell
it?
hotel.
Oh, that's lovely. Right, I'll just take you on a... Is it? Oh, wow. They've put an A on your name instead of Pandy. Well, that's lovely. That's great. Looks very nice. You happy?
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Really lovely.
Coffee machine. Telephone. Oh, we want to sell telephone.
Oh, wow. Let's show you round. So as you come in through, let me put that back down, through the front door there, on your right hand side is the lovely bathroom. I like these floor tiles. And this is a beautiful sink. And everything looks and feels quite plush. There you go. And then inside the shower, you have a non-slip mat. Shampoo, conditioner and shower gel. 2 of those, that's great. So like a rainwater and a handheld shower. 2. Some cacti. Full length mirror. I'm guessing that's an interconnecting door. Pandy.
Yeah, English breakfast tea.
What have we got there? Oh, proper mugs. What's that?
Coffee bag.
Coffee. Some cookies. The mugs are cute. They're so cute. And then we've got extra towels down there. And then in here, we have a fully stocked mini fridge, have we? Well, it's got some spring water, and that's on point. Look at the advertising. Wonderful. And some cow's milk. That's really cute. That's so cute. Look at that. Some cow's milk. So that's lovely. And then the coffee machine and the kettle. Forgetting my words now. And then, how do you open these? Like that. Some wardrobe space there. Oh, that reminds me, I need to hang up. Pandy's wearing a suit today. There's actually a yoga mat up there. That's handy. If I want to start doing yoga, I've got a yoga mat. Oh, it could be. Oh, it's really bad if it's a prayer mat, and I just called it a yoga mat. I think it's a yoga mat. And it's a safe, and I'm very glad that there's an ironing board, because, like I said, Pandy's wearing a suit tonight, and it's probably creased. The old style phone, look at that. That's brilliant.
Well, old style, yeah.
And a hairdryer hidden in there. Oh yeah, yeah, it is.
USBs, look. USBs.
And then a lovely size. They have got USB. Lovely size bed. Oh, the USBs. So these come out as well, I think. Oh, that's awesome. A writing desk. Nice TV. Let me know if you check in here, and yours says Andrew Harris too. Smart work. A seating area there for us both at the end of the night. And then another in there. Let's have a look outside to see what our view is. That's lovely. These buildings are beautiful, aren't they? Oops. They're so lovely. So that's it. We're gonna... Pandy wants to go up and have a drink. Apparently there's a rooftop bar.
Oh, no, I know there's a rooftop with a terrace.
It's a terrace. So Pandy wants to find the terrace and have a drink there. So I'm gonna unpack, hang everything up, so hopefully it'll be okay for tonight. And then we'll go and explore around the hotel. Wow. Wow, look at that.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, let's walk down then, yeah? That looks like ears from a distance. It's all different types of art, isn't it? They're plates.
A collection, I expect, isn't it?
Yeah. It's just totally different types of artwork. We're here at Madeleine's Bar, and it's very, very busy here. And they look as if they serve wonderful afternoon tea, but you have to pre-book it, and we didn't pre-book it. But it all looks lovely, really nice. How many types of old fashions have they got?
6, I think.
6 different types of old fashions. Wow, that's awesome. Just ordered a French onion soup and a charcuterie board. Well, Pandy is booking flights, just for a change. You need to book a vacation when you're on a vacation. How many, where are you looking for? Can't be Orlando again. So my French onion soup is really tasty, and I'm sure that's got garlic in my garlic butter on, I think. Which is absolutely fine because I love garlic. Pandy was just saying with his charcuterie board that he wished that he had some cheese on there, but I had to explain to him, he didn't realise that there is a cheese board and a charcuterie board. Do they do a mixed one? No. You can either have a cheese board or a charcuterie board. So he said it would have been better if he'd had a charcuterie board, and a cheese board between us both. And by the way, Sarah Edwards, who just said that we should try all the old fashions, if we do end up trying them, I'm totally blaming you for any disasters that happen after. We're in Isaac's, which is where the speakeasy is happening tonight. So at the moment I can come and film, but this evening I can't. So at least I get the opportunity to show you where we're going to be tonight. It is. It is like being in Harry Potter land. I hope we got good seats. So obviously that's where the jazz, well, and that's the stage apparently there. But yeah, and then the street level, I don't know whether you can see the people walking outside, is there. This is so awesome. So that's where the toilets are.
Oh, I
didn't realise that. Yeah. A question: would you be able to tell the difference between the women's toilets and the men's toilets? I was stood outside earlier trying to work out which was which, and some guy came up to me and he said that one looks like a woman, which he was totally right. But I couldn't tell the difference. As soon as I said to Pandy, I'll just go and show you the toilets, the restrooms, because in case you get lost tonight. And he said, well, yeah, obviously that's the men's and that's the women's. I couldn't tell. Anyway, nice afternoon in Madeleine's.
Could have had a glass of wine.
We could have had a glass of wine. We could have. Why didn't you think of that?
Let's go back there, isn't it?
No, we're going to go back to the room, have a rest and get ready for tonight. Hopefully you'll join us as much as you can tonight. Where are we now? This way. But thank you very much for following us up until now, and hope you've enjoyed the journey as much as we have.